In this video, I'll show you how to switch the sound output on your MacBook. This is helpful when you want your audio to play through a different device, such as your MacBook speakers, wired headphones, AirPods, a Bluetooth speaker, or an external display. The fastest way is to use the Control Center. Go to the top right corner of your screen and click the Control Center icon. Then, open the Sound section. You'll see a list of the audio devices currently available. Simply click the speaker or headphones you want to use, and your Mac will automatically redirect the sound to that device. You can also change this setting through System Settings. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner, then choose System Settings. From the sidebar, scroll down and select Sound. Under the Output and Input section, make sure Output is selected. You can now choose your preferred audio device from the list. This page also allows you to adjust the volume and change the left and right audio balance. If a device is missing from the list, check that it is turned on, properly connected, or paired with your Mac. And that's how you can easily switch between audio output devices on a MacBook. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, leave a like and subscribe for more simple Mac tutorials.